Hi, this is Ajay Panchal from Ajay Fabricators, Ankleshwar, Gujarat. My company is like 48 years old company and we are in field of manufacturing plastic processing machinery, majorly for woven sack industry. That means we are building machinery for tarpaulin and BOPP rice bags and fertilizer bags and paper laminated bags, basically flexible packaging. And we are here since last 3-4 days in HIPLEX exhibition at Hyderabad, HIPLEX 2023. We are here as an exhibitor for 4 days. The exhibition is good, the crowd is good, the business is good, and we look forward for a better opportunity ahead. Our machinery, we stand somewhere in the first 5 companies in India manufacturing our product, that is in the extrusion coating lamination plant and major woven sack industry. 90%, 85 to 90% of the major clientele in India, they have purchased my machinery, some sort of machinery, bigger or smaller. We look forward for a better business in year 2023 and 24. Regarding how, why people should buy my machine, my company deliver value for money machine. It's not very costly, it's not very cheap, it is perfect. It is value for money. You get what you pay and we deliver the best in the value what we charge. We don't have any competition with the people working at a lower rate than us or higher rate than us. Charge what we deserve. Thank you.